3 months ago, 4 months ago. It was a little bit cold outside. I got the Lasko MyHeat, a little personal heater. So to give you a little bit of background, I have a power station that I use in my outdoor shed workshop, and I didn't really want to run electrical through here because that would be very costly. So I have a power station. I have a couple of them, but I was looking for something in maybe the little bit of a colder months that I can have to heat up, other than the propane 40,000 BTU and hooking all that up and blowing everything out and making it hot in here. I was looking for a little personal heater, but the main thing I was looking for was something that didn't suck so many watts out that it kills my power station quickly. So I went on Amazon and I looked everywhere, and these are pretty much available in a lot of places. So I got this Lasko personal heater. It only uses 200 watts, and that's important to me because I have solar that feeds a 300 watt power station.
Setting up a heating system inside my 3D printer enclosure, testing to see it work, and it works. I set my limit to 43 or something. Let's see after it drops if it'll turn back on. There it goes. 42 is the set temperature. There you go. Look at that. That is amazing. First time I ever dabbled in this. Pretty cool to see it works. This cheap little unit comes packaged like this with its little sensor in it. Also comes with a little kit for
and now I'm trying my new Blue Eddy with my little Mr. MyHeat. It's putting out how many watts? Let's see. It's supposed to be 200.
Years in my office. 5 years. Still working. Like the first day.